Hello, my name is Abhishek Chavan, and today I am going to tell you about the air pollution. The air pollution refers to the presence of harmful substances in the Earth's atmosphere, which can have adverse effect on the human health, the environment, and the climate. These pollutants can originate from the natural resources or human activities. With the anthropogenic resources sources being the primary contributors to the escalating levels of air pollution in the worldwide. Now we're talking about the sources of the air pollution. There are various sources of the air pollution. That first one is the industrial emissions. Factories and the manufacturing processes release the pollutants such as particulate matter, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, and volatile organic compounds into the airs. The vehicle exhaust. Second one is the vehicle exhaust. The combustion engines in the cars and trucks or other vehicles or motorcycles emit the pollutants like carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide, and particulate matter. The third one is the power plants. The fossil fuel power plants release the large quantities of the carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and the other pollutants during the combustion of the coal, oil, or natural gas. The fourth one is the agricultural activities. The farming practices contribute to air pollution through the release of ammonia, methane, and dust particles into the air. Then the common air pollutants are the first one is the particulate matter. The tiny particles suspended in the air, including particulate matter 2.5, that is the fine particles, and particulate matter 10, that is coarse particles, which can penetrate the respiratory system and cause the health issues. Then second one is the ground level ozone, that is O3, formed by chemical reactions between the pollutants emitted by the vehicles, industrial facilities and natural sources. Ozone can irritate the respiratory system. Then nitrogen oxides, gases produced by the combustion of the process, leading to the respiratory problems and contributing the formation of the acid rain. Then fourth one is the sulfur dioxide, which release from the burning fossil fuels containing sulfur, causing respiratory issues. Then fifth one is carbon monoxide, a colorless, odorless gas produced by the incomplete combustion, posing the serious health risk, reducing the oxygen carrying capacity of the blood. Then the health impacts. The long-term exposure to the air pollution is associated with the various health problems, including respiratory diseases such as the asthma or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, the cardiovascular diseases, and even the increased risk of the cancer. The vulnerable populations such as children, the elderly, and the individual with the pre-existing health conditions are particularly at the risk. Environment consequences. First one is the climate change. Some air pollutants like carbon dioxide and methane contribute to the greenhouse effect, leading to the global warming and the climate change. Then second one is the ecosystem damage. Acid rain resulting from the sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides emissions harms the aquatic ecosystem, forests, and the soil quality. Then third one is the loss of biodiversity. The air pollution can adversely affect the plants, animals, and microorganisms, leading to decline in the biodiversity. Then mitigation strategies. The transition to clean energy. Promoting renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power can reduce the reliance on fossil fuels at the lower air pollution levels. Then second one is the improved transportation. Encouraging the public transportation, electric vehicles, and cycling can reduce the vehicle emissions. Then third one is the uh, stringent industrial regulations. In implementing and enforcing the strict emission standards for the industries can minimize the pollution. Then fourth one is the reforestation. The planting more trees helps to absorb pollutants and contributes to cleaning the air. And in conclusion, addressing the air pollution requires concerned efforts at the local, national, and global levels. Awareness, policy interventions, and individual actions are essential components in the fight against the air pollution to safeguard the human health, protect the environment, and mitigate the impact of the climate change. Thank you.